On November 18, 2022, Fond du Lac deputies in Wisconsin attempted to stop a vehicle for traffic offenses. Initially, the vehicle was slow to stop. However, the driver would quickly make his intentions known. What followed was a wild and lengthy off-road pursuit, all in the middle of winter.
What are they going to do? 5-4, he's going to be taken off. Eastbound on F right now.
Eastbound on F.
On the brakes here, W794. 5-4, we're going through the field right now, W794. Why, dude?
If there's a unit that just called, I don't know.
5-4 westbound on F.
Drove into the field and is now westbound again on him as a train. Speeds about 80 miles per hour.
Yeah, because I don't need it in the fucking windshield.
Spaceship, I guess.
5-4, do we have anybody in front of us? No.
Even if there was those not able to have me.
5-4, do we have anyone in front of us? 5-4, Eastbound Airport, going through the field right here in the corner. From the 5-4 going through the field, airport in F right now.
Have to go through the field again.
Doing good? Yep, good.
37 dispatch, we're close by.
37.
Here's the city shooter there.
5-4 back out on F at the corner airport east. Right at west on F again.
156, units, picture approved, it's breaks it on F.
Check 156. Do you want a K9 for a city?
Yeah.
Got the gal available for that stuff.
Passing Floral Park, still westbound. north on 45. North on 45.
66156, approval for spikes if we can get them.
5-4 west on F from 45.
Copy west on F.
Affirm on 6.
All units are going to be west on F right now. Coming up to you. 5-4 slowing down, going into a farm field here on the south end. I don't really want to go through that.
Meet to the left before we arrive. He's wearing a black jean and a hoodie hat.
5-4 traveling through a cut cornfield on the south end of F.
Next area, please.
Getting locked down here. Looks like passengers got the door open. Get out, Nick. Tell me get
I'll
out.
take passenger if they fail.
Don't fucking move!
Get out. Get him. Get him in cuffs. Get him in
Get the
cuffs.
fucking ground! Don't fucking...
5-4 vehicles continuing.
Both the suspect vehicle and the pursuing law enforcement dropped off their passengers as the off-road chase continued.
Don't fucking move! Stay on the fucking ground! Don't fucking move! Roll over on your stomach now! Do it right now! Arms out! Arms out like an airplane! Palms up! Stay on the ground, do not move. What are you guys doing? Put your arms back out! Stop moving!
He was getting his mail.
Getting his mail. Why is he running? Okay,
I was trying to get out of the car, man.
okay. That's fine, I understand. Stay right there, do not move. 91 subject just informed me he does have a firearm in that vehicle. All right, I'm gonna cuff you. Stay right there. Do not move, okay? All right.
I don't have anything to do with this, man.
All right, I believe it.
I didn't.
Do me a favor, just don't move. Thank you for getting out and being cooperative.
I told him, I said, let me out. No, I can't.
Here, let me lift his hand. Yep. 3, 2, 1. Ah.
All right, Ben, did you search him yet or frisk him? All right, bud. We're gonna search you, okay?
Yeah.
What's in your wallet?
Nothing.
I see the syringes right there. What is
Yeah,
that?
that's it. I have.
Stand you up, 3, 2, 1. Oh!
Just search the back, small of the back.
That's it. All I have is.
Hey,
that.
buddy, you got any weapons on you at all?
No, man. I was trying to get out. That's probably his.
Yeah.
I was trying to get out of the car, man.
Do you need medical attention?
I just wanted to cut that one. What was I supposed to do?
All right, I'm not questioning, all right?
Oh, fuck, man. What was I supposed to do there? Okay, just let me step up. Fuck. It hurt getting out of that car because he wasn't trying to stop. I told him, you gotta, dude, I'm getting out of this car. That's why he slowed down. But
While deputies dealt with the passenger, the chase continued. The passenger was temporarily detained, secured, and ultimately released. He is not suspected of wrongdoing.
5-4, we're continuing through the farm here.
Deputy, you go with 9-1 and I'll catch up with 5-4.
5-4, we're going back out onto F. We're going through the farm right now. 541, I said, 156, we get on a pit or no?
What up? Affirm.
10-4.
That's not completely. Just waiting on a tone now, but I can send when he clears. On another 46 waiting on a tone now, but I can send when he clears. Give a description.
I gotta go with 91.
Go with him, he's by himself.
Breeze, I'm at Aston B. Should be anywhere else.
Can you check the area?
91 subject just informed me he does have a firearm in that vehicle.
5-4 southbound and W right now. Hit the bed.
26 copy. 5-4, did you copy a firearm Williams, southbound on W. Williams. The passenger advised that there's a 1032 in the vehicle, and the driver of the vehicle is possibly wanted.
120 on W, 549178. Do we know who's driving?
Affirmative, the passenger is
91, subject is reporting Steven Nafi is the driver.
That while I was slowing down here, that's what it was. 100 miles an hour. Sport, have anybody on?
Southbound on W from F right now.
That's where we're trying to get up here.
Sheriff 54 negative on campus port unit.
That's where I got a plow truck in front of me right now.
I'm just confirming that I am with 91 and we have 195.
770.
5-4, we're turning on Nickel Drive right now at the elementary school. Looks like we're headed back onto W, potentially. Nope, we're headed back south on W.
Copy.
Going up to the stop center right now. Going up to the intersection right now, 67 A and B. Northbound on B, northbound on B.
92 to 54, I'm going to try and set up spikes on B north of UMC.
We're going through the high school parking lot right now. Going on the back side of the school. We are by the walking track right now. Going through the field by the baseball diamonds.
Convoy to Washington. Convoy to Washington. We're still on pursuit.
Sure, 156 is road down there.
5-4, we're through the parking lot of the high school right now. I'm trying to slow her down to get him to slow down.
Copy. 156 to copy.
540 is going through. Looks like he went southbound through campus 494 road.
After the suspect drove around the high school fields and through the high school parking lot, deputies elected to back off and ultimately terminate the pursuit. During the course of the investigation, the driver was positively identified and court records indicate a warrant with nationwide extradition was issued. The suspect was ultimately jailed and court records show he was convicted of first-degree reckless endangerment, felony bail jumping and fleeing, eluding an officer. He faces a 3-year prison sentence as well as a mandatory alcohol assessment and an anger management assessment.